Namaskar, I'm Cyril here. Today we're going to show you how to make soya chunk cutlets. So ingredients are 150 grams of soya chunk soaked in hot water for half an hour and drained. Then I have panko breadcrumbs which is easily available in the market, or you can do at home also. You can take dried butter or dried bread slices which is left over, dry them and turn it down in a mixer. Breadcrumbs ready. One teaspoon of ginger garlic, 1 whole green chili slice, 1 teaspoon of paprika, that is red chili powder, salt to taste, chopped coriander, 1 small onion chopped, 2 medium sized boiled potato grated, hing asafoetida, oil. Then we have garam masala. You can use Everest or with what MDH, whatever is available in the market, or you can use homemade garam masala if you have at home. And then I have used Sahi Paneer masala also along with that. Before we start the procedure, this one I'm going to grind in a mixer and make a paste. Let's start now. When it get hot, put little oil, 2 teaspoons of oil, oil is hot, 1 chammach of ginger garlic paste, saute nicely, then put 1 onion, small diced onion, chopped onion, saute for some time till onions become translucent. Onions are translucent. Now we'll put 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Shahi Paneer masala, chopped green chilies, 1 whole green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, that is Kashmiri powder, half teaspoon salt to taste. Saute for some time. Put grated potato and saute for some time for 10 seconds and turn off the gas. Let the mixture cool and then we're going to add grated cheese. Sorry, I forgot to mention you, 1 cup of grated cheese. It can be Amul cheese or mozzarella cheese, whichever, but I am using Amul grated cheese. So guys, please note, after this mixture gets cooled, we add the soya chunks, the mixed soya chunks, and 1 cup of grated Amul cheese to make form a cutlet. This is ready. We add potato. This is 2 medium sized potato. Turn off the gas, mix it, and then let it cool down. And as I said, sorry, I forgot to mention you before that, 1 cup of grated Amul cheese or any other cheese, whatever you have. Now let's mix all together. Add little hing, half lemon, remove the seeds from there, chop cilantro, little salt because we have put the salt before, and this is the mixed soybean chunk. I ground a little bit, and this is 1 cup of grated cheese, Amul. You can use any cheese, whatever you have, and then mix. If you want more spicy, you can put little more green chilies extra, but I put only 1. You can put more this. You can put all, in fact. Chop cilantro, that is chopped coriander. Then add 2 spoon of breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumb, add inside. 2 spoon, and knead it properly, mix properly, bind it. Now we put breadcrumb for binding. Okay, there is potato also. So potato and breadcrumb for binding. We are not using any egg because this is a vegetarian dish. So no eggs, no meat, nothing is used. If you feel the mixture is still soft, you can add 1 more teaspoon of breadcrumb. Knead it for a while and then make a small portion of balls for the cutlet. We'll roll it into a cutlet. Portioning is ready. We take a little bit flour. Let's form into a cutlet. Make sure the hands has to be clean and dry. And portion it out. You can portion, do the shape whatever you want. You can make round, you can make like a cutlet, you can make like a kebab shape. Let's turn off the gas. You can use non-stick pan or tawa. Let it heat up. But when you cook this, it has to be on medium flame, or else it will be the cutlet will burn. Now the cutlet is over here. We are not going to put any eggs, nothing. We just going to toss it in the breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs. 3 spoon or 3 spoon of tablespoon of oil. Make sure the gas is on medium flame. Don't make it high, otherwise the cutlet will burn. Any egg, so just toss it over here and slowly put over here. Toss the cutlet in the breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumb. Like that. Tasty, guys. Try. Please try this recipe and let me know. And if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends, families. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See, the gas is on medium flame, don't make high. Now let's turn this cutlet. Close up. After cooking, again we'll turn one more side. Cutlet's ready in 3 minutes. We don't have to cook long because it's already cooked. We have to just give color for the coating. That's it. If you want, you can add little more oil if necessary. I'm just putting 1 teaspoon of oil. Instead of oil, you can use ghee. Soya chunk cutlets are ready. You can have with tomato ketchup as a snack or as a main course. This is a purely vegetarian dish. So guys, please, if you like, please comment and don't forget to share this recipe, and please try this recipe because it's one of my favorite dish. That's why I want to share with you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the red icon bell for more notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.